Hi, this is Stalin. Today we will see update and delete query in MySql through Python. Already we've seen how to create database and tables, insert values and select query also. Now we are going to check again what are the table available and what are the records in these tables. Okay. Now to command prompt here cd desktop cd by pair program cd MySql this path containing my Python files. Now I'm going to run select query for personal table, how many records are available. Okay, Python select query.py. So there are 4 records only available, so I have to insert few more records. So I am having another set of records, insert values.py. So again I run this file, insert values.py, Python insert values.py. Additional, there are 4 records inserted, so total 8 records. Okay, again I run select query. Okay, there are 8 records, so I have to write a coding for update query. Okay, update query. Okay, I delete these things, file, save as, update query, uquery.py. okay, query equal to my cursor equal to my db cursor, the function. Again I write a update query for this, update personal file name set password equal to system at 123 where password equal to computer at 123. These are the update queries. How many computers is there? Are 2 computer at 123. Password is there. So I have to run this query. My cursor dot execute qty query qry yes qry query. Okay, now my db dot commit update and update and insert should be used commit queries. Print how many records was updated. My cursor dot row count, comma, double quote, records as update. Okay, save this file and again run uquery.py, python uquery.py, line 23, file name line 23 is here. Line 23, oh sorry, I am not closing the parenthesis. Okay, MySql has no attributes execute. Okay, the execute spell error. I correct that error. Again I run this file. Query 2 records was updated. So again we go and check, select query. There are 2 records was updated. One is system at 123, system at 123 instead of computer at 123. So update was successfully 2 records, and also using for delete query. Same system 1, admin 1, admin system 1. Yes, Stalin show. Okay. Now going to write a code for delete query. File again, save as dquery, qry.py, dquery, delete query. So delete star from personal where password equal to which one I am going to delete, system 1, okay. Then remaining codings are same, my cursor.execute query, mydb.commit, my cursor.row count, and how many records was deleted. Here deleted. Okay. Okay, now I run the delete record query, python dquery.py. One record was deleted. How to run again, select query to check the record was deleted or not. The second record, yes, second record was deleted. So update and delete query was successfully run this video. Next video we'll see how to delete tables and database. Thank you.